Hello everyone, today we are going to fetch hardware and software information in Android. Now, if you are not connect with us on Instagram, then connect with us where we will share the tech knowledge every day. You can find the link in the description box. So, we have seen many applications on Play Store which provides hardware and software information. In Android, one can easily fetch the information programmatically using build class. Now, build class in Android provide the basic information like serial number, Android SDK, brand name, model or manufacturer and the version code. We can fetch many information from this build class. There are many other information you can get from the Android device, but here we will focus on some of the Android properties. Before moving to our tutorial, I just want to say you that if you like our tutorial, then subscribe to our channel and give your valuable support. Don't forget to give your valuable feedback. So let's move to our Android Studio. Here I have taken one text view which display all the information. So let's create one function to get this information. So I have created one function which return the string. If you want to get model number, then we have to write build.model. Same as this, if we want to get brand name, then we have to write build.brandname. So build class provide all the information of device. Now let's display the data and see the output. I hope you understand this tutorial. If you like our tutorial, do support and subscribe our channel. So here we can see our app is running and here we can see all the details of the device. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned.